Atticus, and we're making Play-Doh today, and my mom's gonna help me.
Hi. So friends, I thought for our activity today, I would have the help of my son. This is Atticus.
Hi.
And Atticus will be in kindergarten next year. And he loves Play-Doh, and I know that all...
tomorrow, when it's summer, it's going to be my birthday, and I'm going to be 5.
It'll be amazing. So Atticus, I'm going to ask you to do everything, and I'm here to help. And you think we can do this?
Yeah.
Will it be a little bit messy?
Yeah.
Is that okay? Because we'll clean it up together, won't we? Okay, the first thing we need is flour. Can you open up the flour? And for this, you're going to need 1 cup of flour. And I had some crumbs in there. Okay, so Atticus, when you fill your cup, I want it to be all the way to the top, okay?
Okay.
Okay, and I could do this, but I already know how to do this. Did you get a whole scoop? Almost. What do you need to do? Is that enough?
Yeah.
It is?
Yeah.
Is it all the way full?
No, it's at the top.
We've got to get it all the way to the top. So what do you need to do? Do we need more in there?
No.
Oh, but is it all the way to the top?
No.
Okay, so we need to get more in there.
Yeah.
Okay. How do you want to do that?
This.
And parents, I know that you are going to want to do this for your child, but they're not going to learn how to do it. So just be patient, take a deep breath, have a glass of tea, coffee, whatever beverage you need to help you in this process, but it will be fun. Okay, is that enough?
Yeah.
Okay, let's put it in there. All right, and it says the next thing that we're gonna need are 2 teaspoons of cream of tartar. So for my recipe, it calls for cream of tartar. If you don't have cream of tartar, it is okay. And you can try another recipe. I will post one without cream of tartar. So let's do that over the bowl. So if we spill it, oh, but you have to measure it into here. Yep, shake, shake, shake. Oh, that's not all the way full. We still need more.
And
okay,
full.
And full. There's 1, and we need 1 more, please.
1 more?
Ooh, yeah, that's okay. That happens. So look what I'm going to do. I've got the extra here in my hand. My hands are clean, so we'll put that back in there. All right, the next thing you need is salt. And this recipe calls for a lot of salt, but you really need it in here so that it doesn't get...
you have to keep your eyes on us.
Oh, keep your eyes on us. Yep, that's right. So the salt, it calls for 1/3 of a cup of salt, and you do need that because if you don't have that full 1/3 of a cup, your recipe will be way too sticky. So Atticus, can you hold your 1/3 of a cup in one hand and that in the other? Fill it all the way to the top. Oh, is that all the way to the top? Can we get a little more in there?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get it all the way to the top. Oh, thank you. All right. So now that we have those things, and I'm doing this in a small saucepan because this is going to be heated on the stove.
And we're making Play-Doh.
We are making Play-Doh, and it's very, very fun. So now what we're going to do, we have 1 cup of water right here.
Water.
And then Atticus gets to pick what color he would like this Play-Doh to be. So I have this dark green and this purple. I have regular green, red, and lime green. Apparently my Christmas colors. You like red. So what you're going to do is unscrew the cap.
How do I unscrew?
Can you figure it out? Is it coming off?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, well, you're going to squeeze it actually in the water. Oh, stop. That's plenty. And then put the lid back on, please.
Okay. And now stir it.
I want you to please stir that.
It's all red.
Okay, stir it a little bit more. See how there's some at the bottom? You want to mix all that in there. You made it very red. Okay.
Now done.
Yep. And so I'm just going to set this inside this measuring cup so we don't get red all over the counter. And Atticus, I'm going to ask you to please hold this tablespoon because we need 1 tablespoon. The recipe calls for vegetable oil or canola oil, and I don't have any of that. Oh, pour it out, please. Yep, that's neat to see how to get a tablespoon of water out. I'm going to actually pour 1 tablespoon of just olive oil, and that should be fine, into this cup. Thank you so much. Yep, stir it around a little bit. Okay, and so what we're going to do,
Pour it in here.
we're going to do that actually over at the stove, Atticus. So I'm going to cook and stir, and I'm going to do this part because, you know, you're in preschool, and I just don't know that it would be safe to have you up here stirring on a hot stove. So see how there are some lumps in here?
Yeah, there's a whole bunch of lumps.
So after about 2 minutes of stirring, your Play-Doh is going to look like this in the pan. And I switched from my wooden spoon to my spatula. And I'm going to get just a plastic plate from the counter, put it on there, and it is warm to the touch. So you're going to want to let it cool just a little bit. And while it's cooling, that is a great time for your child to start to clean up. And this is excellent cutting practice. Just do make sure that when they're holding their scissors that their thumb's on top and their fingers are on the bottom. Yeah. So are you going to sit here and have some fun for a little while?
Yeah.
All right. What do you tell our friends?
Goodbye. Make sure you like this video.
Thank you. Bye.